Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to replace this silverware basket on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The silverware basket in your GE dishwasher is designed to maximize the number of utensils that can effectively be cleaned and sanitized during a wash cycle. This basket assembly features 3 flip-top sections which can also be used to hold small dishwasher-safe items such as bottle caps, baby bottle components, jar lids, reusable straws, or small plastic storage lids that could otherwise fall through the rack. You may need to replace the silverware basket assembly if it becomes cracked, deformed, warped, permanently stained, has calcium buildup, or is missing any components. No tools are needed for this repair. To remove your silverware basket assembly, open the dishwasher door and slide the lower dish rack forward. Pull the silverware basket straight up until it is free from the lower dish rack. Discard or repurpose your old silverware basket. If you need to purchase a new silverware basket assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you get the correct part. To install your new silverware basket assembly, slide it in on the right side of the lower dish rack. Be sure the 2 tabs on the side of the basket slide over the right side of the lower dish rack to keep it in place during the wash cycle. Slide the lower dish rack back into place and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Well, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin, Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.